fact, this is probably the first time I've had this car up on jack stands in like a long time. So today we've got Halfwayhangs prep, we've got Matsuri prep. Halfwayhangs is in like 7 days and Matsuri is in like 15 or something like that. I'm definitely not going to need underglow for this car for Halfwayhangs. So we're going to be taking the underglow off this car. We're going to be putting it onto the drift car so that when we're banging around the track at 10 PM at night at Matsuri, we've got sick purple underglow under the car, which is going to look gangster. Just a quick one. Let's get the underglow out and shuck it into the purple car. Quickly turn the underglow on for you guys so that you can see what it's like. Or not. Oh, I see. I disconnected everything to charge the battery. Well, it's disconnected anyway. So we've also got to install this little light up joy brake sticker that my friend. Let's plug it in and just see what it looks like. There we go. Ta-da! Big flash. And that's all. Very cool. Yeah, they do work. Even this burnt bit. Let me show you guys that. Look at that. That still works somehow. Watch. Crazy. Oh, now jacking up the front's gonna be so much fun. The jack will not release. Oh, whatever. No, I don't actually know where I'm gonna put this underglow because the front bumper is gonna get to quick release panels, which means I can't put underglow on the front bumper, which is a bit of a problem. Oh. I wonder if I could put it under the... Probably not the best idea. By the way, I don't use bolts to hold my front bar on. I use 6 zip ties. You can see if I'm not using the front bumper as the mounting points, I don't really have mounting points. I guess I could run it on this light, maybe. I don't know if they're bright enough to like project the light down to the ground from like that far, because you know normally the underglow is like right there. I don't know. Have the underglow here, just turn it on and hold it up at the top so that we can see if it will work. I wonder. This is kind of hard, especially now that it's all tangled because I'm an idiot. Surely with 2 of them it will be bright. Oh, you can just go under the radiator. pretty cool. Oh my, I think I just died. Oh. Alrighty guys, so the big announcement. So obviously I haven't said anything, I haven't made any comments on what's going to be happening with Ruby. I hinted at you guys that there was going to be an announcement this week, and here is that announcement. No, the car's not going back on the road. We're not fixing it up and we're not making it street legal. No, I am not selling it. I would never sell it. And no, I am not parting it out. But what we are going to do is, because I've done some thinking, and really it'd be a lie to myself if I said that I was going to build this car to be a world time attack car, because I don't like time attack. Like, I'm not into that discipline of motorsport. I'm into drifting. And the other day when I took the MX5 out to QR and did big track, realized just how much power you need for that track. It got me thinking, you know, I spent like 15 grand building this motor, and I may as well put it to good use. So officially, the motor in Ruby, the turbo motor, is going to be coming out and going into the drift car. So we're going to be doing a motor swap. Now the engine that comes out of the drift car and into this car is going to get nice and showed up and nice and built and painted, and we might do an ITB build, but like, we might do a V8 build, we might do a K24 build. I'm just not sure at this current time, but we will be doing a motor swap. The turbo motor is coming out of Ruby and it's going into Umeshu, the drift car. And honestly, that excites the absolute living daylights out of me that I'm going to have a turbo MX5 as a drift car. And we also, I'm probably going to street rego this thing. So you're going to see me driving around on the street with a car with a livery, a big flame livery down it. So it's going to be a good time. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this style of video. I've never made a video like this and really dug into like what I'm truly passionate about, and that is filmmaking. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, let me know down in the comments any feedback you have. That'll be greatly appreciated. And also, I dropped some new merch. If you didn't already see it, there, long sleeves and short sleeves of the drift car and Ruby. So yeah, hope you guys all have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.